But windy days like today, consider this. Consider working on a crane or a scaffolding. Those crane operations and construction sites have lots of problems when we have windy days like today. New at 6, Fox 2 meteorologist Jamie Travers spoke with an expert who explained the hazards the wind can create.
It's strange, but as a crane operator, the wind, you get to know the wind really well. It creates hazards and dangers for us, but at the same time, it affects all the operation of the crane.
Operations Manager Matt Helms pays close attention to the daily weather forecast to ensure all things run smoothly for his employees at Maxim Crane Works LP.
So even on a day that most people wouldn't notice the wind, the guys and gals that are sitting up inside these tower cranes 200 and 300 feet in the air, they're feeling the effects of the wind that day.
Crane limitations are set by the manufacturer.
There's many different types and many different configurations, and the wind has a different effect on each type.
The load of the crane is also impacted by the area that captures the wind.
It's a whole lot easier to set a very heavy metal cube object on top of a roof today than it would be to set a single sheet of plywood.
Helms says their cranes are equipped with a lot of technology.
We have anemometers which actually indicate a wind speed, so the operators have access to that in the cab. If it's not equipped with it, we have aftermarket ones that we put on. But that information that used to not be talked about on the job site or asked about ahead of time, now is in discussions on a daily basis as we plan and perform the work.
And ultimately, the windy weather can completely shut down operations for the day.
Yeah, there are times whenever we have a customer that's upset because they wish to continue working and we have to shut down. These operators carry a certification. They have to have that in order to operate the crane per federal law. And if they make a bad choice and they have an accident or an incident, that's something that could cost them that certification and their livelihood.
In North St. Louis County, meteorologist Jamie Travers, Fox 2 News.
Bet that's something you didn't think about, though. It's pretty amazing what the weather can do on a windy day like today. Our anemometer getting to work out, too. When will the winds calm, and what's the wind blowing in our direction? All those questions will be answered coming up with weather in a couple of minutes.